Watch, you need to be way faster than that. Come south. Come out, come out, come out, come out. We'll play this choke. Do the mobs here. Do the mobs here. Do the mobs here. Come, 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 come. Heavy mace, can you catch one?
Not here yet.
Do the mobs here. They still don't have disarray. I don't think they have disarray.
I see one more.
Come west.
Guys, Maldito.
Here it is.
Fist of Hava. No, it is
I'll start
Icon.
recording. Okay, this will be our safe zone to kite around. Now we're spot. Okay, walk northeast.
Careful over the wall.
You know, you guys can just walk out of that circle. Some people just stayed in the circle. Okay, shallow, northwest over the wall. Get ready. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, northwest over the wall. Try.
Hey, you guys still like 2. Careful of the
Yeah.
wall.
Demon.
Careful.
Okay. Walk up northeast. Yo, look on the ballista west. Okay, hold. Yes, just hit them up here. Hit the door.
Careful, they are
Shallow,
here.
shallow, defend the front. Come southwest, walk southwest. Southwest and look northwest over the wall. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 over the wall. Okay, some people just straight miss. Come southwest. Hold. Heal up here. Come southwest. Stay away from the wall. Stay away from the gate. If you don't have cleric cow, stay away from the gate. Heal up here. Come. I do not want you guys to be low HP when they decide to walk out. Okay. Come southeast up the stairs. Southeast up the stairs. And start healing. Where's my blight? Okay, start healing. Okay, we'll reset for a little bit. Palm them over the walls. Come west, look north, over the balcony. Okay, get ready, we're gonna press boots. North over the balcony. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, north over the balcony. Okay, good.
Nobody.
Good. Alright, come walk northeast.
I see one who's coming. Candy Kingdom is coming inside, by the way. Just one. Scout.
Just one. Scout.
Yeah. Form
Okay.
up. Might be a bomb spot, careful.
Walk northeast. Catch. Can someone catch that guy? Yo, follow me. Where are you guys? Heavy? Hey, shallow? In 5. Hold. Hit the door. Hit the gate. Who hit the gate? Everyone hit the gate. Okay, come back. Hold, defend. Okay. Hold. No. Yo, we're gonna hit inside us. In. Doggy silence. Yo, inside us on this one. The next time the guy steps out, okay, we're gonna hit fast. Yo, inside us in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inside us. Come back southwest. Come southwest.
One shooter just
Yo.
passed through Spartans.
Come southwest. Come out southwest. Yo, when you see that circle on the floor, jump out of it. Okay, you guys have human reaction time. Walk. Okay. Walk up. Zio, use your boots. Jump out of it. Okay, walk up. Okay, D-Tank start hammering. Everyone else, hold the southeast up the stairs. Heal up front. We're gonna hit shallow in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 on the shallow. Front and come back southwest. D-Tanks hold them there. Hold them there. Come southwest. Demons. Come southwest. Praetorians, oh my fucking god. Come southwest. Pull back. What's the damage? We lost the D-Tank and the hero.
Enrique, come back. 1 minute. Okay.
How do you die to a solo longbow? Just jump out of it. Come walk up. Over the north wall. Get ready. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. North wall. Good try. Yo, Pulu, you here?
Yep.
Were you empowering beam? Because I didn't see it.
Yeah, I'm doing the Fabi.
Oh, okay. Cool.
Yeah.
If we hit over the wall, I need to empower Hellfire, not
Sure,
not the spike.
Sure. Okay.
Okay. Walk up. Southeast. Come out the stairs. Hold. Come out the stairs. We're gonna send it shallow and then pull back, okay? On that one guy in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Dodge faster, please!
Oh.
Come southwest. When you see the black hole, immediately hit it. Grimjoy, that was a straight waste of a potion. You're on plate. Come back, same route. Come back up the stairs. We'll keep doing this until you guys learn how to dodge longbows. Change your cleric house to Judy.
Can you see what's happening over there?
Yo, I see Candy Kingdom coming in over there. Fuck, I was on mute, sorry.
How many? Disarray? Come southeast.
I don't say disarray, I see at least 10, more than 10. Okay,
More
the
than
mounting
10?
would never mind.
Yo, kill this scout. No east. Just kills and W's.
I think it's more of a bomb squad. Yeah, they're leaving now. Nah,
How many
they're
is left?
still here.
Alright, come. What's the disarray?
This is disarray.
No disarray? Okay.
No.
Yo, if you get hit by a longbow, it's because you didn't walk through the stairs, okay? If you walk southwest, you're just gonna get hit by the longbow again and again. Alright?
Okay.
Careful.
They're starting to come in.
Hold. Yo, shallow on the gate. Come, walk up. Shallow on the gate in 5, 4.
Oh, they're partying. They're partying.
On the gate.
They're inside the castle.
Come southeast. It's fine. Just come southeast. It's fine. Okay, walk up. Northeast.
You can just hit. You 2v1 them.
Okay. 22% left on the gate. Come. Hit the gate.
If you're hitting the gate, you have to spread out.
Okay, OC. Kill this mob. Push on the mobs in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 on the mobs.
Any kingdom has 3%.
Is it? Okay, cool. Come southeast.
They are on your west.
Mount up.
But they're coming. They're already here. They're
Dismount
coming
me.
on flank. Maldito on the flank.
Dismount away and come southwest. Get ready, wait. Hold. Come walk southwest. Hold here. Come south, get away from the wall. Come south. Take space southeast. Be fast. You're gonna get bombed over the north wall. Come. Yo,
They're moving back.
hold. Come northwest.
I
Never
think
is
you should
stuck here.
target Candy Kingdom.
Yeah. But we can't.
Okay.
Yeah, we can't. Yo. Everyone, be on the south, on the west side, away from the northeast wall, away from the northeast wall. Okay, come, kill the mobs. Walk up. Walk up, kill the mobs here. Yo, shit. Come, help me catch. D-tank, help me catch. D-tank, help me catch. On us in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, inside.
They're fighting inside.
Yeah.
I think you need to go the other way.
Alright, come southeast. It's fine, we cleared this mobs already. Come southeast. We're gonna enter from the northeast. Careful over the west wall. Come over this here. Always take this route. This prevents you from getting bombed.
They're fighting in the north part. Maldito, I think, are gonna get wiped. Yeah, they're wiped.
They're wiped already.
Yeah, Daddy pushed out all the way.
Okay. Walk with me.
There's
Yeah,
one guy
yeah,
from black.
outside
Yeah.
castle.
Yo, come. Walk.
They're on the west.
Walk with me. Walk with me.
They're running.
I
Come
think
walk with me, walk
Maldito
with
is
me.
gone. They're mounting up. There's only one guy. He's mounting up.
Okay, come southwest. Come southwest. Step out.
Oh, you witch.
Count up. 3%. We still don't have. We only have 2 healers. It's a bad idea.
I
Can-
see another black mist, by the way.
Sorry.
I can
I
go
just
now.
saw 2.
Yo, Zayo, get
Oh.
out. Doggy, get out.
I can now. What the fuck?
Yo, you need to go to the middle and click the door. Click the gate.
Shit.
Huh?
I cannot get out. I don't know why.
You have to click the middle. You have
Click
to
the
move
middle
to the
of the
middle.
gate, not the side of the gate.
Okay, the gate. The
Oh
gate
my
just go.
fucking god.
I mean, come.
I think he got out. Yeah, he got out. They're taking the castle.
Yeah, we have no chance of fighting them. What can I say? People dying to solo longbow. Like, that's wild, man. Dying to solo longbow. I was watching Zio just eat the whole longbow chart duration and then press E jump out of it. Comes on. Spider Arbeck.